What the? Where am I? So as you guys can see, I'm in a new shop area. This is because I got a new job. So, and that's actually part of the reason too why I've been kind of gone for a little bit. So we had to move and just life stuff happened. But I just want to give you guys a shop update. I'll let you know that I'm back on the lathe project. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've been seeing I've been posting pictures. Got buttons wired up and starting to do the drivers and the wiring. I pretty much getting all the enclosure stuff buttoned up and put together. Still got some stuff coming in the mail for more outlets. Got some more of these guys, the female connectors, some more fuses. So yeah, got everything more or less together. You can see there's a giant pile of boxes. This is remnants of what was in here. This whole garage was full. But working on the lathe again. I got the router back up and running. It's of course covered right now because I've been doing wiring, testing out power supplies. Got connectors, cutting wires, putting things on. And so yeah, I'll have a new video out soon with more lathe stuff, more lathe projects. But just want to let you know, hey, I'm back. So get ready for some more cool videos. Oh, and one more thing. If you or anyone else are interested in possibly doing this yourself, I've been mulling over the idea of maybe getting a kit together or plans or some other, thing just to help people out doing this, getting all the different boards, getting, just all the random little, wire, getting your wires all organized, reusing boards from the actual lathe from Harbor Freight. If you want a kit or if you want, just, more information, let me know. I'll try and get stuff together. But yeah, right now I'm not doing that. But if there's interest, maybe I will. So yeah, let me know. See you next time.